Wow.
Ale to autentycznie fotel naprostuje na prosto.
Wow. Right, just put the seat and the seat belt into collision. Both of our seats. And automatically put the hazards on. And just to show the mileage, that is the mileage, and today is 27th of October.
Trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. Since that day that we met, and you haven't seen the best of me yet. There's nothing like you and me together, and your eyes have been so hard to forget. But there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much time it takes.
Kurwa jebana.
No,
Ja pierdolę.
dobrze, masz nagrane. Na awaryjne aż ci się włączyły. Gdzie mam jechać?
Dobra, jedziemy do domu, już starczy mi.